Hey, it's JJ with ProLine PAVEX 2026 here in New Orleans at the Ernest N. Morial Convention Center. Why are we here? Core value, always learning. We're gonna go inside, check out all the new equipment, have some equipment demos, speak to some new vendors about some new products. Let's go. But no, we currently just rent. We currently do rent from SealMaster. We have a SealMaster in Charlotte. Wonderful. So we haven't purchased one yet, but we rent these routinely for our projects. But sell me this damn thing.
Sell you this thing.
tell me all about
We're gonna try, right?
All right.
You've got your diesel Kubota engine, right? Pretty much bulletproof engine in our industry. Most of the manufacturers are using Kubotas.
Kubota engine.
A unit with 100 CFM compressor. Actually, it's going down to 75. It's all you need to accomplish anything you need to blow out any kind of cracks.
Dude, that air compressor is a game. I can't even believe that you produce some that don't have it on. Because that thing is a game changer for cleaning cracks. It's great.
Some contractors use the blow and go method.
Yeah.
A lot of municipalities would prefer the actual compressor. A couple hundred feet of hose for blowing it out. Right, you can have one man working in front of the trailer, another one in the back end on the hose, and your driver. You communicate with your trigger, your switch.
Yep.
It's a standard option as far as the horn. Great communication.
How do you teach anybody? You tell anybody how to communicate? Because we came up with our own method.
You got to have your own method.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough.
One honk means go. 2 honks means stop.
We do 3 for backup.
There you go. Absolutely. That's great communication.
Yeah.
Now we'll make our way to the backside. Or let's stop here at the Beckett burners. Okay. Diesel Beckett burners, fastest heat up times in the industry. I'm a big fan of the longer hose upgrade. These generally ship with a 19-foot hose. This, I believe, is a 23-footer. Gives you longer reach without relocating the machine.
Didn't even know that there was a longer hose.
Couple options. Counterbalance boom. Takes the weight off the operator, allows him to get more work done without fatigue. I'm a big fan. I came from the St. Louis market of molasses valves. You can have one operator on the heated hose and several guys running 4 pots, crack banding carts, etc., or even M810s off of this guy. Very simple when it comes to the control panel. You've got your power, you've got your AC power for your hose, and all your modules. They're already preset, not really much to do there. Any kind of directions that you need, you can just scan the QR code. It walks you through everything with videos and catalogs in the QR code. This controls the speed of your hydraulics, your agitation, and how quick it spins. This is actually new with a lot of wear parts, kind of your fuses, your main wear and tear. Has everything you need in this additional kit. Safety loading lid. Set your blocks on the actual lid. Throw them in. No splashback, no burns.
That's great. That's a great feature.
Fire extinguisher, just in case. You never know what happens on a job site. And you've got your lance for blowing out the cracks. So it's got the cradle on it for just floating over the surface and less support.
Awesome. Well,
that's this machine in a nutshell.
We're getting there. We're getting there.
Absolutely. So. Anything we can do for you, you let us know.
All right, man. Well, again, appreciate the time. Thanks, man.
Good meeting you.
Hey, we're here with Kurt, Pothole Punisher. So we've utilized this piece of machinery a couple times, kept asphalt in it overnight once, did some pothole repairs on the weekend. But if you just give us a quick run through.
I'd love to do a run through with you. K&M 8000, 8,000 pounds trailer electric diesel dump. Like you said, it will keep your asphalt at a hot working temperature for 2 days. It's also a reclaimer, so if you have virgin leftover asphalt from paving or from a paving project, you can put that into the hot box months, years down the road and reheat it up overnight. No hot box can be a recycler. This is a 20-foot trailer. It's got a deck on the front and the hoist, and that's where our 218X infrared goes on up front. Or you can put a 30-gallon heat attack tank. We build ours out of channel steel versus tubular steel. Tubular steel promotes rust and rot. Our diesel burner is protected. As well as all of our batteries and components.
Awesome.
Shock assist hinges make opening the doors easier. While we're on this side, I'll show you in the dump position. We dump at a 52-degree angle. The difference in our dump versus other dumps is we use a scissor hoist lift, which is rated for 150% of the load. Those push hydraulics after a while start working against each other. There's our trade show. There's our hiding spot. Work lights off the back end. We got 4 here, 2 down here. That way when you're working out at night, everything's lit up. Another real nice option to have.
Oh, that's a great option, yeah.
In the snowy weather, rainy weather, dry out the potholes.
Yeah.
2 shoveling doors, that way you can go ahead and work and I can work versus fighting over to one hole. There you go. Now the ease of opening our hot box. You unlatch it here. It's literally 2 fingers. You got to open up the front one first. 15 pounds of force, so it's literally 2 fingers. When it gets straight up and down, you just hang on to it. Come back here. Easiest doors in the industry to open up, nothing to break, nothing to fail. Everything is sloped. We have the polyhedron triangle here, so the center of the mix stays good and warm, as well as the side walls, front walls, and the bottom wall.
Bill, again, we're here at PAVE 2026, but the Bensink broom, we added this to our seal coating prep trailer. We got 2 of them, and we've used them so good that the bristle broom down here, we've worn 2 of them out.
Oh, good.
So actually, since you're the designer, what I need to know is a fast and efficient way to replace those, because we have 2 brand new ones sitting and we can't quite get the new ones on. So since you designed this thing, could you just give us a quick description on the whole platform first?
The whole machine?
But before the repair, just a quick description of the whole platform.
It's really an aggressive machine. These are all steel bristles built on a heavy-duty shaft. The broom spins both directions, so depending on where you're going to start your job, you got the broom spinning the direction you want it. It's a Honda industrial engine. It's got here for the rotation, you've got clockwise, counterclockwise. Let me squeeze through here. There are all kinds of adjustments on the handlebar.
Super helpful.
So you need to find for your employee, you want the handle positions comfortable. It also goes up vertically. If you're going to stick it in the back of your trailer or your truck. The handlebar shifts in case you're going to be right up against a wall.
Did not know that.
And it's got a safety feature. Hook this onto your belt. If the machine for some reason ever got away from you, it shuts itself down. Another feature that we have, the unit comes with a size smaller flat free tire. You replace the smaller one, it angles the frame so you can do a terrific job of cleaning debris out of cracks, or if you just want to clean stripes for restriping. The unit has flat free tires and sealed bearings, so you'll never have a flat tire on any machine I've ever manufactured.
That's a true statement.
Yeah, that's true. Exactly right. It comes with a Honda industrial engine, low oil shutoff, probably a virtually problem-free engine.
Awesome. Well, again, I want to thank you for inventing this, because number one, it saved my back and my crew's back on many of occasions from, when the sales people go and price a job for us, they don't care how many inches of dirt are against the curb lines.
No, they want the job.
So thanks to you, we can get rid of that dirt a lot faster. Well, let me ask you one more historical question. What in the world made you come up with this? Because it is a massively helpful tool.
Well, I was in the seal coating business for 25 years. I'm a believer in equipment, so I had equipment to do all of my work. Sweeper brooms on Ford tractors, and everything you needed I had, except for this darn area around the curbs. And just stuff that had to be done by hand that my guys just didn't get it good enough. So I thought, why not take one of these things, put it on something that would spin by itself, So about 16 years ago, I developed this in my shop for my crew. And then we were manufacturing our own slurry and had crews. We had a pretty good sized seal coating company. And so I had these machines for my crew. And then another company came along and bought me out of the asphalt seal coating business.
Okay.
So then I thought, you know, I ought to see if I could sell these things to somebody.
Well, there's an absolute need for them, man.
I built a few of them in my barn, and now they're built in a factory. So.
Awesome. Well, thanks for the invention.
Hey,
thank you for your time.
Hey, thanks for being our customer.
Absolutely, we love it. All right, we're starting off day 3 with a great interview here with Jeff from NYRA. The reason, again, why should you come to PAVEX is to meet with your vendors. So last night, Jeff and I had a conversation. He's putting me in contact with another contractor to help me solve some of our internal problems. So, Jeff, thank you for that.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But just give the audience a little rundown of NYRA and why we as Proline use your seal coat.
Well, NYRA, we consider ourselves the contractor's manufacturer. We have contracting ourselves. We have the understanding from start to finish what contractors go through because of that background that we have. I've been a contractor in my past, so I have that understanding, and I think that gives us a leg up on most other manufacturers because of our contracting background. We want to provide the best quality material that's going to give you no problems in the future, but we understand from the bidding process to the billing process, everything in between that goes on with that. So I think that is what helps our partnership with our customers, is because we want you to grow so we can grow as well.
That's it. You heard it from Jeff's mouth. If you want to grow, get a hold of Jeff at NYRA. All right, we're here with Marvin Joles in the mix, a longtime friend of Prolines. Marvin, the floor is yours.
Oh man, we had a great show. There was a lot of people here at the booth. Our goal is always to make the show and PAVEX in general inviting to everybody within the industry. I don't know, we had probably 50 people here a couple different times at the booth, gave away a lot of stuff. It's always great to be working with you all and being able to come over and hang out once in a while. We always seem to connect here at all the shows and get to hang out. And I think the big thing is what you all do for the industry with content-wise, what we do for the industry content-wise, has really helped show, in my mind, the rest of the world just how professional, essential, and how great quality our trade is. Whether you're seal coating or line striping or whatever.
Well, thanks for everything that you do. You always give back to the community.
Buddy, we try to, man.
That's it. All right. Check you later.